Hello students. In the last lecture we have discussed about the polygenic inheritance definition. With an example we have discussed polygenic inheritance. Now we are proceeding towards the next most important topic, subtopic of the this lesson, that is principles of inheritance, that is mutation. Already we are familiar with this word term. What is the term mutation refers to? Mutation, as we have already defined in a very simple manner, it's a change in the gene sequence. It is a heritable change in a gene sequence. In this manner also we can define. It is a sudden heritable change in the gene sequence, that is called mutation. But according to our NCERT reader, that concept, the definition goes like this. So it is a phenomena in which the alteration of gene sequence and that results in a change in the phenotype or genotype of the organism. So the meaning of this definition, here what happens? So there is a change in the mutation is nothing but change or alteration of the DNA sequence. Here DNA sequence they have given, you can also use the word that is DNA sequence or base sequence or in other word gene sequence. Instead of DNA sequence we can also call gene sequence. So it's a phenomena in which alteration means change in the gene sequence or DNA sequence, both are same, and that results in the, that leads to what? That leads to change in the characters, traits of a genotype as well as phenotype. And you know what is the meaning of genotype? Genotype refers to the genetic makeup. The genetic makeup of an organism is called genotype, and phenotype means what? The external features of the organism is called phenotype. Means whenever there is a mutation, there is a change in the DNA sequence that results in the change in the characters, and those characters may be genotype or phenotype of any organism. So this is known as mutation. And here one question comes, then what is the major cause for the mutation? Why the mutation is caused? The mutation is caused because of the following reasons. There are several causes for the mutation. So let us understand one by one. The main cause for the mutation is that if there is a loss or gain of a segment of the DNA. We know that the human beings are having diploid set of chromosome. Sometimes what happens, not only in the chromosome, even in the gene or in the DNA. Sometimes what happens, the addition of extra chromosome or addition of the segment of DNA, extra gain, a part of DNA or a part of DNA, either it is added or it is deleted from the diploid set of chromosome. Totally there is an alteration in the chromosome number. The major cause for the mutation is, already I told, that either due to the loss or gain of the segment of the DNA. If any addition or deletion of the DNA, I mean instead of normal DNA, if there is a normal DNA, extra DNA is added or loss of DNA is taking place, and that results in the alteration of the chromosomal number. So human beings are having 46 pair chromosome but haploid set to 23 pair. So in that, if any addition taking place or deletion of the chromosome taking place or DNA taking place, the number of chromosome is going to change. That results in our body characters. Okay. And this mutation is also caused because of the change in the base pair. So here I am going to clear you. Then what is the meaning of DNA? What is the meaning of base pair? Since we know that chromosomes on the chromosomes, number of nucleotides are there, isn't it? So the adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So here nucleotides are in a complementary manner. They are arranged, we know that. So if at all any single base pair, if I suppose adenine, a single base pair AT, if any single base pair is going to change, altered, then the characters are also going to change. So that is known as single gene. See here, I am focusing here AT. So if there is single base pair, so this is one pair. If one pair, particularly one pair of base pairs are going to either deleted or added to the normal set, then it is going to cause the point mutation. Point means single base. If a single base pair is going to alter, then the characters are also going to alter, and that is going to cause the mutation. Okay, that is more point mutation. So the best example I can recall here, that is sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia in detail we are going to discuss in the next genetic disorder, where the detailed concept of sickle cell anemia, characters, its pattern of inheritance, everything we are going to discuss. But here the example for point mutation is the sickle cell anemia. Why means, because here normally what happens, the sequence, there are 6 sequence of nitrogen bases are there, amino acids are there, but at the 6th position of the amino acid, glutamic acid, so due to what happens, a valine is added, so glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Okay, and on the mRNA, instead of GUG comes for the transcription, and hence that is mutation caused, and that mutation is called point mutation. Similarly, there are some more types of mutations are there. They are caused because of various reasons. See, I told you here, due to alteration in a single base pair. Due to alteration in single base pair, what happens? Point mutation is caused. This is a one type of mutation. But there is one more type of mutation, that is known as chromosomal mutation. As the name itself indicates, chromosomal mutation means change in the number of chromosomes. Here it refers to what? Change in the number of chromosomes. Just now I told you, the human beings are having haploid set of chromosome 23 pair, diploid set to 46 chromosome. If at all any change, when the change occurs, either by adding the chromosome number to the diploid set or by deleting the number of chromosome to the diploid set. If any addition or deletion of one or two chromosome to the diploid set of chromosome, that is going to cause a chromosomal mutation. And the examples for this, that is Klinefelter syndrome, we are going to talk about Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome later on. Lastly, frame shift mutation is there. Last type, it is most important type. Already we have discussed in the molecular basis, but still we are going to discuss what is frame shift mutation, why it is caused. So this is caused due to the addition or deletion of what? Deletion of base pairs, number of base pairs. So as I told you here, in a previous method only one base pair. Here one base pair, if alteration takes place, replacement takes place, then that is called as point mutation. But sometimes addition of either one or two more, one pair or more pair of base pairs are, if they are altered, I mean added or deleted, it is going to cause a frame shift mutation. This is called a frame shift mutation. So with this, these are the 3 types of mutation: point mutation, chromosomal mutation, frame shift mutation. And why the mutation is caused, the reason I told you. Now last, mutation definition also very important. You must go through the definition also. And sometimes the question also framed like this: what is the cause for the mutation? That is over. What are mutagens? Sometimes the term mutagen, they may ask you, the term mutagen means what? So here mutagen, the agent which causes the mutation is called, the mutation causing agent is called mutagen. Okay, so there may be several types: physical, chemical, biological, all those are there. So we are not going to talk all those. So we will stop here only. That is all the types and mutation. Okay. So the detailed aspect of the further topic, that is after mutation, the Mendel disorders we are going to talk, and those are also, all those disorders are related to mutation only. Mendelian, that is Mendelian disorders. Why the Mendelian disorders are occurring? What are the cause? The detailed concept about the Mendelian disorder diseases we are going to discuss later on in the next video.